How to increase your Snapchat score quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to increase your Snapchat score. So let's get started. First, what we can do is we can just like take a snap, and I'll just take it. And we need to send snaps to people in order to increase our Snapchat score. Once you've taken a snap, you can just like add anything, maybe some music or any stickers. So let me just quickly create a snap. All right, so now click on send to, and when it comes to the send to, you need to send it to your friends, and then you can click on find friends, and it'll actually show you the suggested people. You can see a lot of different people who are actually not your friends. So what you can do is you can actually send them to a lot of different people at the same time, like suggested as well, and your friends. So this way they will be able to add you back, and you will have more friends on Snapchat, and you will able to start your streaks too. Another option you can increase your Snapchat score really easily is by creating a group. So just click on this option and create a group. So you can like add yourself to different groups, create groups, and send snaps there, and make sure that you snap and send like multiple snaps to people. And this way it's actually a way to increase your Snapchat score very fast. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.